Hello! In honor of Pie Day, I decided to do a quick video about how to make my favorite pie, key lime pie. This is the recipe that I have the most requests for because every time I serve it to someone, they want to know the recipe. And honestly, I hate giving people the recipe because then they know how easy it is. It's 4 ingredients. It takes 4 minutes to put together. Super simple and really delicious. I wish I could say it's healthy. It's not. It's way not healthy. I once tried to figure out how many calories were in a slice and then it was so horrifying I stopped. It has like 1,000,000 calories, but it's so good. So if you need a little indulgence every now and again and you love key lime pie, this is the recipe for you. Here are the ingredients. First, a pre-made pie crust. I prefer to get the kind that says 2 extra servings because this extra large crust is the perfect size for the amount of filling this recipe makes. Secondly, 4 egg yolks. These are just the yolks, not the whole eggs. And forgive me, some of my yolks broke. Then there's the sweetened condensed milk. The recipe calls for 2 cans. And then the important key lime juice. I have made it with fresh key limes, and honestly, using the Nellie Joe's bottled Key West lime juice is the best. It just tastes great and it's so easy. And then lastly, if you want, add green food coloring. I'm doing it just because of St. Patrick's Day, but normally I make this without. And for prep, the beautiful thing about this recipe is it only requires a whisk and a bowl. I prefer a bowl like this that has a handle and a spout because it makes it easy to pour the filling into the pie crust. So here's how the recipe comes together. We have our 4 egg yolks. Just mix those enough to break up the egg yolks. Add your juice and whisk that together. And then add your 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk for creamy deliciousness. And a whole lot of sugar to combat that 2/3 cup of very tangy lime juice. And whisk until it's all nice and creamy and all the ingredients are incorporated. Now, here's the part where we got to talk about to food color or not to food color. Typically, I do not put any food coloring in because if you go to Florida, legit key lime pie usually does not have green food coloring. But if it's St. Patrick's Day week, like it is this week, I'm gonna go ahead and put in a couple drops of food coloring. Then pour into our ready-made pie crust. And here is our key lime pie ready to pop into a 350-degree oven for 15 minutes. Here is our beautiful pie coming out of the oven to cool. And you want it to cool for at least 15 minutes or so, and then you put it in the refrigerator to chill until serving time.